morning, students. Today I am going to take your revision class through this video. So you all know about that there is a only one chapter is coming to your examination, which is matter in our surrounding, and the topics I am going to discuss with you, which are going to present in your exam. Okay, so first topic is matter. Okay, you have to define matter and learn some examples of matter. Okay, second is types of matter. Types of matter is solid, liquid and gas. Okay, and their examples. Third is properties of solid, liquid and gas. You have to learn properties of solid, liquid, gas. Okay, and fourth is some definition such as melting and melting point, boiling and boiling point, freezing and freezing point, sublimation, evaporation, condensation, and difference between boiling and evaporation. Okay, so these are the definition you have to learn. And diffusion rate, and I am to ask you a question. Solid, liquid, gas, which has high diffusion rate. So gas has the highest diffusion rate. Next is lowest diffusion rate is solid. So order is gas, liquid and solid. This is a diffusion rate in decreasing order. Temperature, you have to change degree Celsius in Kelvin. So you have to add 273 in degree Celsius. Okay, such as you have to change 27 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. So you have to add plus 273, so it is 300 Kelvin. So 27 degrees Celsius equal to 300 Kelvin. Next is definition of latent heat of fusion and latent heat of vaporization. And the value of latent heat of fusion is 3.34 into 10 to the power 5 joule per kilogram or 90 kilocalorie per kg. And latent heat of vaporization is 22.5 into 10 to the power 5 joule per kilogram or 540 kilocalorie per kg. Okay, so these are the topics you have to learn. Okay, and now again we see that a recap of revision. You have to learn definition of matter with example. You have to learn definition of solid, liquid, gas with example. You have to learn properties of solid, liquid, gas, and you have to learn some definition: melting and melting point, boiling and boiling point, freezing and freezing point, sublimation, evaporation, condensation with example. Okay, and difference between boiling and evaporation. Okay, diffusion and diffusion rate, temperature, change in temperature degree Celsius into Kelvin. Okay, so this is simple, just add 273 in degree Celsius. Latent heat of fusion. Latent heat of fusion, what is the required amount of heat to convert solid into liquid is called, the required amount of heat to convert 1 kilogram solid into liquid is called latent heat of fusion, which is 3.34 in 10 power 5 joule per kilogram or 90 kilokelvin per kg. Latent heat of vaporization, it is the required amount of heat to convert 1 kilogram liquid into gas or vapor, you can say that also. The value of electric heat of vaporization is 22.5 into 10 power 5 joule per kg or 540 kilocalorie per kg. Okay, so these are the topics you have to learn. Okay, so I hope you all can get it. Okay, thank you.